Hello from Florida Watercolor Society. I'm Marilyn Liebman. Vered Pasternak and I are co-chairing the volunteer committee for the 2021 Florida Watercolor Society exhibition and convention. We're celebrating its 50th anniversary this year, and the convention itself will be held at the Fort Lauderdale Marriott Coral Springs Hotel and Convention Center. The exhibition will be held at the Coral Springs Museum of Art. There will also be a virtual convention, as was done so successfully last year. Although this is a week-long event, volunteers will be most needed on that weekend of September 24th to the 26th. We're in the process of organizing now, and we're looking for volunteers to help in many areas. Those who have participated in this event in past years know how informative and wonderful the week of special events has always been. Now let me introduce you to Vered, who has more information on job descriptions and opportunities. Hope to see you at the convention, and thanks so much for your time.
Hi, I'm Vered Pasternak, and together with Marilyn, we are responsible for all the volunteers for this convention. Volunteers are the backbone of any convention. We need you to make it happen. We need people to greet guests and show them how to, get from one place to another. We need artist demo assistants, where you hang up with the artist and you help them with whatever they need. We're gonna send you a form through your society that you belong to. In that form, we will have job descriptions of any volunteer's position that we have to offer, and we would love to have you put your name wherever you feel like you can do it. Either it's an hour for the whole convention or a few hours, whatever is convenient for you. We would love to have you there. Thank you for considering, and hope to see you soon.